This week is focused all about World War I and World War II. So you have your lesson with your notes and also a short writing assignment. Remember, do not skip those assignments. They are worth a large percentage of your grade, and they are pretty easy, especially this one. So just because it's not a multiple choice, don't let it scare you off. What you're going to do, so you'll go into our unit folder, open up our World War I and World War II lesson. Here in this lesson, we always want to make sure that we open up our travel journal for our notes before we get started. So, we always have these main questions that are guiding us, and these are normally based on the pages in the lesson. So, MANIA, what that acronym is, what it stands for, Great War. Then we also have some questions about World War II, as well as what happened in between World War I and World War II. Big things that I would like you to focus on during this lesson. Who was involved in both of them, so both World War I and World War II. What were the causes leading up to each? And what were some of the effects? Those are the main ideas. You will use those ideas in your assignment because you are going to be comparing and contrasting World War I and World War II. So if you go into our unit folder, right here, okay, this will take you to a Google slide. On this slide, you will be giving specific details about World War I, also known as the Great War. You'll be giving specific details about World War II, and then things they have in common. So I have a Venn diagram all ready to go for you. You will just erase these words right here and start typing whatever it is you're sharing that it only applies to World War I. Okay? Only applies to World War II, something they both have in common. Alright? You need at least 3, but I encourage more, because that will just give you a better understanding of both of these world wars. Remember, focus on who was involved, the causes, and the effects.